Welcome, marketers. Today, we delve into the exciting world of Microsoft Ads and how to leverage them for profitable affiliate marketing. As marketers, you know the power of targeted advertising, and we're here to take your skills to new heights. So, let's get ready to optimize your campaigns and boost your earnings. Microsoft Ads, the advertising platform by Microsoft, offers a unique opportunity to reach a vast audience beyond Google. As marketers, you understand the importance of diversifying your advertising channels, and Microsoft Ads provides a valuable complement to your marketing arsenal. With its advanced targeting options, analytics, and competitive pricing, Microsoft Ads empowers you to expand your reach and drive conversions. Microsoft Ads allows you to target your ads based on various factors, including keywords, demographics, location, and device type. This level of granular targeting ensures your ads are displayed to the most relevant audience, maximizing your chances of success. Setting up a Microsoft Ads account is a breeze. As marketers, you value efficiency, and Microsoft Ads delivers a user-friendly account creation process. Head to the Microsoft Ads website and click on Sign Up or Create an Account. Otherwise, create a new one during the setup process. Once your account is up and running, it's essential to customize your settings according to your marketing objectives. Define your billing information, set your daily budget, and select your preferred payment method to ensure smooth operation. By setting up your account thoughtfully, you lay the groundwork for a seamless advertising experience. A successful Microsoft Ads campaign demands thoughtful strategizing and careful execution. As marketers, understand your target audience's preferences, pain points, and behaviors to craft tailored ad copies that resonate with them. One of the critical aspects of running Microsoft Ads effectively is keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that align with your products or services, ensuring your ads appear in front of potential customers searching for precisely what you offer. Leverage Microsoft's tools and analytics to gain insights into your campaign's performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Another vital aspect is ad copy optimization. Craft compelling and persuasive ad copies that not only highlight the benefits of your offerings but also align with the tone and language your audience responds to. Focus on the unique selling points of your products, avoid using overly promotional language that may alienate potential customers. To achieve optimal results, it's essential to align your ads with specific landing pages. Sending users to landing pages that directly relate to their search queries or ad clicks enhances user experience and improves the likelihood of conversions. Remember, relevance is key to successful advertising. Affiliate marketing is a proven and lucrative venture when paired with Microsoft Ads. As marketers, you recognize the potential of affiliate partnerships in expanding your product offerings and revenue streams. Partnering with trusted affiliate networks like ClickBank allows you to promote a wide range of products and services to your audience. As you explore this avenue, it's essential to focus on selecting products that align with your audience's interests and needs. Promoting products you genuinely believe in adds authenticity to your recommendations and fosters trust with your audience. Before promoting any affiliate product, it's vital to research the product's quality and credibility. Ensure it provides genuine value to your audience and that the affiliate program offers competitive commission rates. As marketers, your reputation and credibility are valuable assets, and promoting trustworthy products solidifies your authority in the market. Implementing Microsoft Ads for affiliate marketing. To triumph in affiliate marketing with Microsoft Ads, a delicate balance must be struck between promotion and value. Your audience must feel that your recommendations are authentic and beneficial, rather than mere sales pitches. Craft ad copies that showcase the benefits of the products and how they address your audience's pain points. Microsoft Ads offers several features that can enhance your affiliate marketing campaigns. Utilize ad extensions to provide additional information or direct users to specific pages, such as product reviews or landing pages. These extensions add depth to your ads and instill trust in potential customers. As you implement Microsoft Ads for affiliate marketing, it's essential to comply with the platform's policies and guidelines. Microsoft Ads maintains strict standards to ensure a positive user experience, and adherence to these policies is crucial to avoiding potential penalties or ad disapproval. Optimization techniques for Microsoft Ads. In the dynamic world of online advertising, optimization is the key to unlocking exceptional results. As marketers, you understand the significance of regularly monitoring your campaign's performance. Analyze key metrics, such as click-through rates, center, conversion rates, and return on ad spend, ROAS, to gauge the effectiveness of your ads. Identify high-performing keywords and allocate your budget accordingly to maintain optimal ad positioning. Stay vigilant about negative keywords to avoid wasting resources on irrelevant searches. Continuously test different ad copies, landing pages, and targeting options to identify winning combinations. A/B testing is a powerful tool for optimization. Create variations of your ad elements and test them against one another to identify which perform better. Incremental improvements in ad performance can make a substantial difference in the long run, contributing to increased conversions and profitability. Keeping abreast of Microsoft Ads' latest features, updates, and industry trends is essential for staying competitive. Monetizing Microsoft Ads and affiliate marketing. With effective implementation and optimization, Microsoft Ads and affiliate marketing can become a robust revenue stream. The key to sustained success lies in adopting a long-term mindset and building genuine relationships with your audience. To monetize Microsoft Ads and affiliate marketing successfully, prioritize value creation. Offer valuable content, insights, and solutions to your audience's problems. As your audience recognizes the authenticity and relevance of your recommendations, they will be more receptive to your affiliate offers, leading to increased conversions and commissions. Empowered marketers, empowered earnings. Congratulations, marketers! You've unlocked the potential of Microsoft Ads and affiliate marketing. Armed with strategic insights, targeted advertising, and optimization know-how, you are now equipped to conquer this dynamic landscape. Embrace the power of Microsoft Ads, foster genuine connections with your audience, and watch your profits soar. Click on the link below and unravel all the secrets.